So guys, hi guys. I'm actually in my village in Adazi Nnukwu, and I'm taking an early morning stroll. I'm going to see a very good friend of mine, my childhood friend. His name is Mr. Sonny Emeka Ilozo. Emeka Ilozo has been my childhood friend, and we have been age mates. And he's based in the village, and he's doing quite well. So he's my go-to man anytime I'm in the village. If you want to know what is going on, everything that's happening in our village, you can ask him. He has like a local refinery where, like an oil mill, where they turn palm kernels into oil, edible oil, So this is him. I'm just seeing him now, and can see his. This is his like a factory where they do oil and turn it into palm oil, so you can see the kernels. I can't do for others.
I hear you, dude.
Okay, so I can see you're walking.
Yeah.
So this is the palm kernels.
Yes.
What are they doing with it? After this, what next are you going to do?
You get oil there.
Okay, like palm oil?
Yeah, palm oil, nice oil.
Oh, wow.
Traditional oil.
Traditional palm oil.
Palm oil.
Oh, wow.
That's why.
Okay. How come you're the only one working today? Your workers are not, they didn't come?
Today is not work.
Okay.
It's just a small...
Okay. It's not enough to gather people. So guys, you can see, Akajiofo is my childhood buddy, and he knows everything that's happening in this village, and he's a great guy, and he's doing well for himself. He makes a lot of money from this. You can see a lot of palm kernels. Some of these ones are also sold, after extracting the palm oil. The palm kernels are also extracted, and they will be sold separately, and then the other residues are also used for something else, and so that's it. And these are the where the palm fruits are gotten from. These are the remnants. They can be used to cook or do something. It's that's actually the way it is. Wow, look at this tree. Look at this tree. This avocado pear and is filled up. And like I said, the good things about being in the village is the freshness of the atmosphere. Atmosphere is good, and take fresh air. The airs are not polluted, and and I think everybody's just cool. And what else can we do other than to enjoy it? Being in the village, brings some form of calmness to all of us. We city dwellers. Why do we really go to the city? If the village is the best place to stay. The city has more opportunities, technology, infrastructure, and so on. But most of the things are being done in the village now. As you can see, the roads are being tarred. People are building very beautiful homes, for retirement and then for leisure. Once in a while, you can come with your family and stay and be happy, and take a stroll, take a walk, and everything is just fine. And so I'm just making this short video to rep my village, Adazi Nnukwu, and to show you guys the stuff that we're made of. But you can see even the chickens are not left out. Everybody's happy. Oh, my man is trying to put on his machine. He's going to put all those the palm fruits here, and then you see the whole process, from here to the distillation, and then we have palm oil. So actually, these are how it works. So I can you for here you coverall like a fall. Huh? Okay, because of the weather. He said he's not wearing coverall because of weather. So I can you for all the kwaka only apart from here in a only house in a here. All the office can have here. Okay, so office eba na mi ha kwa ko when you house na member. Okay. Okay, this is like his office, and you can see he's a traditional man. Akajiofo means the hand that is holding the title of justice. So this is where he calls on the gods. To come and bless the work of his hands, and then to bless our community, and bring prosperity to whatever he's doing. In the Igbo cosmology, you must have a for and ogu, justice and honesty. So these are the two things. Like he said, now we don't kill people. What we ask is that we ask the gods, to protect our lives and give that's well-being. What is the purpose of life if it's going to be brutish? The gods have a part to play in our being alive. In our being alive, living abundantly. I can't just hear. Can you hear that book we hear? Zigama, can you hear the man? Oh, Sycamore in the Bible. But I thought the word in the Bible was the shop. Oh, yeah. So, fruit to an army, can you hear the man? Oh, to order. Wow. Oh, this is sycamore tree. Okay. Oh. Wow. So, my guys, this is how it is, and so that is it. You can see a lot of constructions are going on, and people are building. You can see that other house there. A lot of mansions. My friend's house, Okoya. So that's it. And the tendency for a lot of people who dwell in the cities is to look down on people who live in the village. Life is not so brutish here. Life could be better in the city because of technology, but the village is always peaceful. Good environment, pristine vegetation, air, clean air, and so on and so forth. You can also see, and quite a lot is going on, and a lot of people are happy or happier here. One of the things that living in the city makes you is that it makes you to be more ambitious, it makes you to be audacious, it makes you to be more daring in pursuit of your goal. It makes you to know that life could be better, that there is an alternative to life. So one of the things somebody can do for you in life is to take you away from the village. Sometimes some people will live all their lives in the village until something happens. Maybe one of the siblings or one of the brothers or anybody will have the opportunity to go to the city and then help his family to migrate. But that's okay, So this is my village in Adazi Nnukwu, and this is where I come from. I grew up here too. Though I stayed in the city as a boy, but we were always in the village. And, good cars are everywhere. And then this is weekend, and anytime I'm in the village, I try to take this walk to go and see my guys and ask them how they are coping, render some assistance, encourage them, and because staying in the village is not easy. If there's nobody staying here, we won't be able to come back. So anytime you come into the village, try to encourage people who are staying there. Encourage them, give them some goodies, give them money, so that they can continue to stay here and look after our things, you know. Yeah, hi, Kadu, how are you? Okay, so this is it. So I'll see you guys in my next video, and I'll take everybody along. So how is your village? What kind of industry do they have in your village? Yeah, we have a lot of block industries. We have people that make bricks, of course. Then we have this local palm oil mill, you know, growing the local economy. So bye, next time.